We are going to initiate my machine concept today in farm part. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today marks a momentous occasion of our farm part company machining unit. We are proud to announce the official launch of implementing My Machine, My Responsibility concept. You will not be able to eliminate equipment breakdowns if you have a culture of I make, you fix. Operator needs to upgrade their skills and abilities to protect their equipment and thus foster a sense of my machine to achieve zero breakdown. I am grateful to announce that with the invaluable guidance of our mentor Mr. Rajiv Khanna from ECMA Cluster Program, we have initiated the My Machine concept in the machining unit. This training involved a comprehensive session for our dedicated team, including production staff, maintenance personnel, industrial engineers, and of course our skilled machine operators. This project would not be possible without the collaboration spirit of our incredible team. We are grateful for the participation and commitment of everyone involved, from production to maintenance and industrial engineering to our machine operator. Your dedication to continuous improvement is truly commendable. We are confident that this My Machine concept has the potential to optimize our machining processes, leading to increased efficiency, productivity, and overall success for Farm Part Company. Thank you.